During this time of stress and uncertainty, your child's school is making the transition to online learning. Suddenly, not only are you a parent and a provider for your family, but a teaching liaison as well. These times are stressful enough without having to monitor homeschooling. That's where ClassTag comes in. ClassTag is a user-friendly parent-teacher communication platform that serves as your home base for all of your child's learning. Now that your school is connecting, here's how to get started. Your child's teacher has added your contact information to ClassTag and you received your virtual invitation by email or text. Click on the blue button at the bottom of the email and you'll be redirected to the ClassTag site or app if you've already downloaded it. Enter your name, contact details, and create your account password. You will then see the option to join a class. It's as easy as that. Now you're ready to get started. Once joining your child's class, you will first see the classroom homepage. This is the hub of your classroom community where you will see public posts and announcements from your child's teacher. To the left of the page, you will find your navigation toolbar, directing you to specific features of the site, including activities, photos, and the directory. All posts are date and time stamped to easily organize your child's learning goals for the day. Using the navigation toolbar, you can click on the Activities tab where you can see all of the upcoming and past activities for the class. This is also where teachers can set up conferencing schedules for your classroom. Using the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of your activities and announcements, you have the option of setting reminders or adding the activities to your calendar so that you don't miss a thing. You can just upload that document right to your Google Calendar or any internet calendar and save it. So, along with the public communication your child's teacher is sending on your homepage, ClassTag also provides the option of private messaging. To start a conversation, click on the messaging icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page. You'll be redirected to a private inbox. Then select New Message icon to begin your conversation. A pop-up window will appear so you can send your message to the teacher. Type your message in the text box and hit the blue arrow key to send when you're ready. Then, you can also see if your child's teacher has seen your last message or not. 1 check mark means that it's been delivered, but 2 check marks means that it's been seen. So I can also send a follow-up message just to give the teacher another ping in case the other message was sent outside of office hours and they haven't received the notification yet. As a parent, you have full control over how you would like to receive communication with ClassTag. To customize your account, first click the 3 lines next to your profile icon in the left corner of the page, and then select the gear icon that's next to your name. From here, you will see My Profile, My Classes, and My Family, depending on if you are a parent who's also a teacher or not. Within these tabs, you can change your profile settings, visit all the classes that you're a member of, and add multiple family members for fluid communication if your child is moving among different households or caregivers. By selecting the account settings option underneath your name, you can also change how you choose to receive your ClassTag notifications. You can access ClassTag anywhere from any device, so make it your own. With everything in one place, ClassTag is the easiest way for you to see what's going on in your child's classroom and how to get involved. Whether your kids are learning from home or at school, you'll never miss a beat.